Hello and welcome to this new video on how to become an Airbnb virtual assistant. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to understand the Airbnb industry deeply. So you just need to do a research and you need to study it well and properly. After that, you just need to possess necessary skill for handling rental tasks. So Airbnb is mostly about rental and reservation. So this is the most essential skill that you will need in order to become an virtual assistant. So after that, you just need to give service for displaying experience in CV. So you just need to make an very good portfolio so that the people that are hiring virtual assistants will be attracted by your portfolio itself. And when you have made a great portfolio, you just need to be dedicated toward the works. After that, you will be able to be an Airbnb virtual assistant. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.